Upgrading PC for this cat in just $500. Okay, so we're gonna be upgrading to RTX 3080 from Aorus and a new case because the previous one was too small. So we're taking out the 4 sticks of RAM, take out the GPU, take out the motherboard.
And actually this is a voiceover because the day I was recording this my mic died. Anyway,
Now it's time for power supply, fans, and here is the new case. Here are 4 sticks of RAM that are going in right now. And of course the crazy cable management for our favorite customer.
This is the monster that we're gonna be putting inside.
And now it's ready to start. Kaboom!